Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to apply our lace wigs step by step for the most natural look. Start with the clean dry scalp. Place the wig on your head and adjust it to make sure it's sitting in the right spot. The key here is positioning it so the wig's lace sits just along your natural hairline, not too high or low, so the proportions of your forehead looks balanced. This ensures that your forehead doesn't appear too short or too long. Play around with the placement until it feels right for you. If you want extra hold, you can use lace glue or roll-on gel. Lift the lace, apply the glue along your hairline, wait until it's tacky and then gently press the lace into place. One thing that really helps create a natural look is adding a subtle root to the wig. This is especially effective if your natural hair has a darker root color. At Jennifer Hoeve Hair, we can add this root for you. It makes the transition from your skin to the wig even smoother and more realistic, giving the appearance that the wig is growing right from your scalp. For the most realistic finish, baby hairs make a big difference. We gently slice along the contours of your hairline for the most natural effect. And that's it! Your lace wig is on, secure and looking absolutely flawless. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else you want to know about, leave a comment below. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new tutorials. Thank you for watching!